The OEMTOOLS Folding Lockback Utility Knife series will fit all of your cutting needs. These lockback knives are outfitted with a durable aluminum body and an extra-wide handle that provides increased leverage and comfort for a variety of cutting tasks. Each knife features a blade release button for easy blade replacement. Simply press the button to release. Both knives also feature a lockback release button, combining the safety and strength of a fixed utility knife and the convenience of a folding knife. The OEMTOOLS Folding Auto-Loading Lockback Utility Knife stores up to 3 utility blades and automatically loads a new blade when a used blade is removed. This utility knife also has a retractable feature for safety and variable cutting depth. Each knife set comes with a convenient blade dispenser that stores and protects up to 100 blades. No matter your cutting needs, the OEMTOOLS Utility Knife series has you covered.